How do you multiply a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number? You multiply each digit of the 3-digit number, starting with the ones place, then the tens place, then the hundreds place. Let's see how this works with 213 times 4. Start by multiplying the ones place. 3 times 4 equals 12. Write the 2 in the ones place. Carry the 1. Write a small 1 above the tens place. Now multiply the tens place. 1 times 4 equals 4. Add the 1 that we carried. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Write the 5 in the tens place. Now multiply the hundreds place. 2 times 4 equals 8. Write the 8 in the hundreds place. So 213 times 4 equals 852. Let's try another example. 347 times 5. Multiply the ones place. 7 times 5 equals 35. Write the 5 in the ones place. Carry the 3. Write a small 3 above the tens place. Multiply the tens place. 4 times 5 equals 20. Add the 3 that we carried. 20 plus 3 equals 23. Write the 3 in the tens place. Carry the 2. Write a small 2 above the hundreds place. Multiply the hundreds place. 3 times 5 equals 15. Add the 2 that we carried. 15 plus 2 equals 17. Write the 7 in the hundreds place and the 1 in the thousands place. So 347 times 5 equals 1,735. When multiplying a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number, multiply each place from right to left. Ones, tens, then hundreds. Carry when needed and add any carried digits. One important reminder: don't forget to add the number you carried. After you multiply each place, check if there's a carried digit to add. Now it's your turn. Let's multiply 268 times 3. Let's work through it together. First, multiply the ones place. What is 8 times 3? It's 24. Write the 4 in the ones place. How many do we carry? We carry 2. Write a small 2 above the tens place. Now multiply the tens place. What is 6 times 3? It's 18. Now add the 2 that we carried. What is 18 plus 2? Yes, 20. Write the 0 in the tens place. How many do we carry? We carry 2. Write a small 2 above the hundreds place. Now multiply the hundreds place. What is 2 times 3? It's 6. Add the 2 that we carried. What is 6 plus 2? Yes, 8. Write the 8 in the hundreds place. So 268 times 3 equals what? Yes, 804. To multiply a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number, multiply each place from right to left. Remember to carry and add any carried digits.